Anker Soundcore Motion Boom Outdoor Bluetooth Speaker with IPX7 Waterproof Rating. With IPX7 waterproof rating and floatable design, Anker Soundcore Motion Boom Outdoor Bluetooth Speaker is good for any outdoor home speakers. Anker Soundcore Motion Boom Outdoor Bluetooth Speaker with IPX7 Waterproof Rating. The Soundcore Motion Boom is a powerful, easy-to-carry waterproof Bluetooth speaker that measures 13.62 by 5.83 by 7.87 inches and weighs 4.41 pounds. As shown in the images, the speaker delivers a compact, streamlined form factor, and with a built-in handle, you can easily carry it on the go. Meanwhile, it's IPX7 waterproof, rated to withstand submersion in water up to 1 meter for 30 minutes, and floatable design ensures you can quickly take it out even when it accidentally drops in the water. The outdoor Bluetooth speaker features drivers with pure titanium diaphragms to reproduce high frequencies up to 40 kHz for sound with noticeably higher clarity. Furthermore, built-in bass-up technology provides enhanced bass by analyzing the low frequencies in real time. Moreover, Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity provides stable and smooth streaming, and using Soundcore app, you can customize the music playback on your phone. In addition, built-in 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery offers up to 24 hours of playback between charges, and it serves as a portable power bank to charge your mobile devices. Anker Soundcore Motion Boom Outdoor Bluetooth Speaker is priced at $89.99. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.